This morning, grocery delivery by drone taking flight for millions of shoppers. The world's largest retailer, Walmart, revealing here exclusively on GMA, its expanded drone delivery program starts today in Metro Atlanta in partnership with Wing.
Atlanta's that first stop in our significant expansion with them. And so we'll be heading from here to Houston, we'll be in Charlotte, we'll be in Tampa and Orlando.
Stores in Bentonville, Arkansas, and the Dallas-Fort Worth.
I thought they were already in Orlando because I think like 2 years ago, was it? Well, yeah, about 2 years ago. I saw that they had drones set up in the parking lot. Maybe not these particular drones, but I saw that they had drones set up in an Orlando parking lot. Actually, it was more like Claremont, Central Florida, but it's close to Orlando. So I thought they already had it, but maybe it's a different company. Maybe it's a different type of service.
North area already using these lightweight drones for fast grocery delivery, and some TikTokers are intrigued.
So what do you think? That's cool.
At this Walmart in Woodstock, Georgia, 12 drones sit on individual charging pads until an order comes in through the Wing app.
We'll pack it up for you, load it onto the drone, and then it's going to fly to your house in under 5 minutes.
The drones carry packages up to 2.5 pounds and fly within a 6-mile radius of a store, avoiding traffic, stop signs, and pedestrians. Popular items for delivery often include medicine, ice cream, eggs, and even a small rotisserie chicken. We give the Wing app a spin.
I have it open.
I would be a little bit nervous about a drone delivering my eggs, to be honest, but I'm liking it so far.
I have a few items I need. Let's get some eggs, tomatoes, lime, and Tylenol. And then you just add up your order, submit it, and now we wait.
Outside, we look for the delivery.
So we've been tracking our package on the app, and it gives you an actual countdown clock. I think I hear it. Oh, there it is. Look, it's here.
The drone hovers about 150 yards above the ground, then slowly lowers the package on a tether.
Wow. Success.
It's
All right, I'm sorry. I know people are going to be crying about, like, what about the delivery drivers, Yo, that is fascinating. That is super duper cool. It does add some complexity to the airways, but for the most part, they have like no-fly zones, and they're not going to be flying that high, right? It's high enough to like not hit trees and stuff like that, but not like it's going to be and guaranteed that whoever's operating the drones is going to have their license, right? I can never remember what the license number is. Junior knows that he's going to drop it in the chat for me, but this is cool.
just the latest example of companies trying to speed up their delivery times. Amazon unveiling Amazon Now, billed as ultra-fast delivery in 30 minutes or less. Uber Eats using robots for food delivery. DoorDash also experimenting with drones.
We're seeing more technology from robots, driverless cars, drones, and it's no longer the future's coming, the future's actually here.
And guys, this location here in Woodstock, Georgia is just one of 6 locations across Georgia that are getting that drone delivery service starting today. 4 other states will get access early next year. And then the hope is to continue expanding until this is now nationwide. Now, as for concerns about safety and privacy, the company says they do follow FAA guidelines and they don't have cameras on the drones to track people during the delivery. And their payload is pretty light. And in addition to all of that, they do have sensors on these drones to make sure they're avoiding obstacles during the delivery. So in short, take a look here. The future is here, guys.
You have brought us to it. All right, Faith.
That is absolutely fascinating. And for the size of that drone, you definitely need a FAA Part 107. Shout out to my guy. I knew he was going to drop that in there for me. Part 107 license to operate it. One thing that I was not clear about is, do they have an actual, do they have a drone operator for each drone? Or is the drone using AI or is the drone using AI like the delivery robots are using? So remember I was saying, we've spoken about this before. Drone operators, drones are being used to analyze electric poles, right? The cables, the electrical cables and stuff like that. They're being used for rescue missions by fire departments, lifeguards and stuff to bring the cord, the rope to pull the person in. It's being used by the police for stakeouts and surveillance and stuff like that. It's being used by companies for deliveries. So many different options. And that's not to even mention the private businesses like for entrepreneurship, for like real estate photography, regular photography, whatever, right? Whatever you do, like there's racing drones and stuff like that. So what do we take away from all of this from today? Here's what we take away. In the Joe Rogan Experience interview for Jensen Huang, he said task-based jobs are going to be gone due to AI, but purpose-based jobs are always going to be needed. So if your task is to pick up an order and deliver it to a particular person, that might be gone. But if you are always leveling up and you're like, okay, well, if I am a delivery person, I should not be limited to one means of delivery. So if I heard 5 years ago that drones are going to be delivering stuff, maybe I should have learned how to fly drones 5 years ago and started investing in myself instead of crying on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram about, they're going to take away all the jobs. Oh no, if they're going to be using drones, let me start learning how to operate drones. Let me start learning how to operate multiple drones. Let me learn how to be a drone supervisor, a drone technician, whatever. So that now when you see these things are happening, you are already in position. Oh yeah, guess what? You don't have to pay for my Part 107 license because I already got it. I already have 5 drones. Oh, guess what? I got the software that can control 5 drones at one time and I can monitor them, see where they're going. And I can put, okay, this drone goes here, that drone goes there, that drone goes there. Because there's still going to be a human being behind all of these robots. But if you were like, well, now I can't drive for Uber Eats or for Lyft anymore. Well, guess what? They have been telling you about this for the past 15 years that this is coming, and you said no. What you said was,
do not come.
And now they came anyways, right? And now look at you. And I think all this technology is absolutely fascinating, from the windshield barnacles to the robots in Miami to the drone delivery for Walmart, and it's gonna come for a lot more companies as well. There's no traffic, there's no wait, there's no tipping. Who needs to tip a robot? All right, so you know what that means, right? You know what that means? That was a
flawless victory.
It was, and it's all your fault. All right, but it's never too late. Tomorrow, we're going to be talking about the resumes. We're going to talk about the resumes, the GitHubs, how to communicate in an interview, how to have that conversation instead of a interrogation. Don't walk into an interrogation. Lead, control the conversation. And then on Wednesday, we're going to be talking about machine learning platform engineer with the roadmap for it and how to get into it. What's the tech stack? Stop being the miner, be the rig. That is what all of these videos has taught us today. Technology is coming. Are you going to embrace it, or are you going to sit in the corner? Or I'm gonna have to get this soundbite in the meme, right? But are you going to be sitting on the sofa like in Belly? It says, "You're gonna get yours. You're gonna get yours." No, you're not. No, you're not. You're not going to get theirs because there is absolutely nothing that you can do about it except for adapt.
They think the machine never break. Sometimes the battery hit red. I ain't stopping, I'm just rebooting. Why the bounce back? Go! Eyes heavy like I'm lifting weight with my eyelid. Brain foggy, feeling like I'm stranded on an island. Coffee pot empty and the energy is silent. Fighting with the demons in my head, getting violent. Staring at the screen, but the progress isn't moving. Spinning on the wheels, tell me what am I proving? Body aching, bad breaking, losing all the grooving. Every single step feels like I'm just losing. Working 24, but the needle barely nudging. Feel like I'm a hammer, but the wall isn't budging. Burn on creepy, yeah, the shadow is a trudging. Doubters on the sideline, yeah, they always judging. Is it worth the stress? Is it worth the hypertension? Did I make the turn? Did I lose the dimension? Need a little break, need a little intervention before I crash out and I lose the retention. Man, I'm feeling fried, sucker to your sizzling. Vision getting blurry and the rain start drizzling. Plus I'm feeling heavy, motor vision and fizzling. Waiting for the steak, but I don't hear the sizzling. But I can't quit, now I came to the flag. Even when I'm dragging and I'm feeling like a rag. Got too many gold packed inside the bag. Gotta push through even when I hit the lag. Just need a minute, just need to close the blinds. Disconnect the server, disconnect the lines. Lay the head down, let the body unwind. So I can wake up and get back on the grind. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Hold the high for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. They sit in the stands with a popcorn ready. Praying at my knees, buckle, hoping I ain't steady. Wanna see the downfall, wanna see it messy. Wanna see me crash like a stolen Chevy. I see the side eyes, hear the whispers in the dark. Waiting for the flame to extinguish the spark. They wanna see the dog loot a bite in the bark. But I'm a gray white swimming like a shark. If I quit now, man, they win the whole game. If I slow down, they gon' tarnish the name. Gotta feed the fire, gotta feed the flame. Satisfaction that they seek is a damn shame. I ain't gon' give it to them, never gon' fold. Story of my fair is a story never told. My desire to win is worth my goal. Bigger than the hate that they tryna hold. So I take a rest, yeah, I hit the pillow hard. Reboot the system, pull the ace from the car. Keep the haters locked out, stand in the yard. While I recharge the battery and lower down the guard. Just for an hour, let the new runs reset. Wake up cleaner than I ever been yet. Ready for the war, ready for the threat. Gonna make them pay every single little debt. They want me to crumble, they want me to crack. But I bounce back like a rubber on the track. Sleep is the weapon, get the mind intact. Then I hit the gas, never looking back. I'm burned out, but I ain't bowed out. No, just need a nap, then I'm back on the route. Close the eyes for a second, shut the world out. Wake up a beat, scream and shout. I can let them see me lose, I can give them that. They waiting on the crumble, waiting on the splat. My drive is too big, yeah, I'm taking it back. Just a power nap, then I'm back on attack. Okay, I'm up now, wipe the crust eye. Looking in the mirror, no more disguise. Demon on my shoulder, yeah, he finally died. Energy is peaking, reaching for the sky. Thought I was dumb and you must be crazy. Thought the burnout meant that I was getting lazy. Vision was blurry, now it ain't hazy. Pushing up Daisy, now I'm pushing Mercedes. Word didn't change, but the mind stay with flip. Got a new Megan, I put in a clip. Haters looking sick, yeah, they starting to trip. Watching me and sin while they sinking in the ship. Progress was slow, now I'm moving like speed. Planting whole forest when I planted the seed. Satisfy the want, satisfy the need. Made the competition turn around and bleed. I do this for the win, I don't do it for the likes. Coming up the mountain while you riding on trikes. Heading for the top, yeah, I'm planting the strikes. Running up the score, yeah, I'm racking up strikes. Turning the engine, failure's not an option. Turning every obstacle into adoption of a new method. Yeah, I'm swapping in, I'm copying. Only thinking is the records that I'm popping. Burnout was a lie, it was just a little test. Put a head down, got a little bit of rest. Now I'm back stronger, pounding on the chest. Put me to the trial and I asked the question. Yeah, I'm wide awake now. You shouldn't have blinked. I can let them see me lose. My drive is bigger, be a hate, be bigger than hate. Back, better work, 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 better work. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ho, get it. Ho, get it.